Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I make flashcards. Now we all know how the Western student community has made a awareness and influence in this really nice technique to remember the definition and language word by using the flashcard. Now I personally discovered flashcard when I was in my 8 and 9 standard. Ever since I love using them. So what I basically do, buy a chart paper of different colors and cut them out. Yeah, that's how I make my flashcard because it's really difficult to find flashcard in India. Even if you find them like I do find them around a good stationery stores, but they are never below 300 500 bucks. They always expensive. I don't know why, just because of like something India not invented or Indian people not aware about that, but uh, I find make yourself flashcard is cheap and convenient. Basically, the we are living in COVID situation, so all the exams on online basis and in MCQ pattern. So these flashcards are really help you. You don't need to use heavy book always with you, and flashcard are the colorful, so it's really fun to study. Now, what to fill in them is really confusing, so don't worry, I help you with that. We use one card per term. On one side, write the term you want to remember, and one another side, write very brief definition. Best is if the you write your own word rather than copy the textbook. Take a time, think about what the definition really means, and then write a simplified version on your flashcard. It's a good idea to check with friends at this point to make sure you don't oversimplify the definition. Or take a textbook, we must be knowing. We highlight or the underline the important definition, dates and marks. These are the things you write in a flashcard. Also, I like to write a difference between 2 points because 2 points cover with comparison. This is actually I write on flashcard. I really like the flashcard concept, so I'm sharing with you few benefits of it. Flashcards are really versatile study tool. Flashcard gives your brain very quick a way to check if you got the right answer. They also help you to engage in active recall, which teaches your brain to remember the term. Personally, I love flashcards. That's why I share this idea with you. So flashcard can be used to introduce a present topic, can be used to apply information already gained by a student to new situation, to review a topic, can be used for the drilling and the practice elementary classes, used to develop cognitive ability of reorganization and recall student. A series of special purpose flashcard can be used for the applying educational game to couple learning with fun, can be used as supplementary add, and can be effectively used with another material. Flashcards are easy to use. Flashcard can be used in a game for learning vocabularies. New words can be practiced easily. Learn can be separate word into a different categories. Flashcard can be a fun. Hope this helpful you for your future study. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like to my channel. Till then, bye bye.